Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing red as the letter A. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. And then angle it slightly down on both sides. And close it off at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw the teeth. Let's start by drawing a horizontal line across in the center. And then a line down in the middle. And then one more on each side. And that's it for the mouth. Now top out and draw the eyes. On both sides, let's start with a large oval. Then inside each eye, let's draw an angled line down at the top. And then another angled line at the bottom. Now in the middle section, let's draw two curves going down like this. And now let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now top out and let's draw the shape of the body. On top of each eye, let's draw an angle up and in. And then a curve across the top. Now top under the eyes and let's continue that angled line all the way down. Now top back up and let's draw a line across under the eyes here. And then underneath in the center, let's draw another set of angled lines going down and out. And then close off the bottom of each side. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the collar of the lab jacket. Let's draw a point down. Then angle it back out. And bring it back in. Now top in the middle here and let's draw a line across. And then a V shape inside. Now from the top corners, let's angle it down. And then another angle back in. And that's it for red as A. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!